Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your lock screen pattern invisible on your Android phone. Okay, first of all, you can open your settings application on your Android phone and you have to open the security setting. You can scroll down until you find the security and privacy setting, and here you can select more security settings. Okay, and if you want to make your lock screen pattern invisible, you have to turn off this feature or this option. As you can see, make passwords visible, and we're going to turn it off like this. Okay, and after you turn off this feature, your your pattern on your lock screen will be invisible. Alright guys, then that's how we can make our lock screen pattern invisible on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.